Today I am replacing the brakes on a 2006 Chevy Tahoe, and you can watch my other video about switching brakes to see how it's done. I mean, they're all pretty much the same, but there was something today, a snag that I ran into that I thought would be worthwhile passing on. So this is a 12 millimeter bolt in the back, just in case you're curious, but you remove this one and the lower one to pull the brake caliper out. So it's pretty straightforward. But when I was loosening this bolt, it looks as though this whole mechanism is one bolt, but it just keeps on spinning like it's threaded. And the lower one was like that as well. And what I found was this is actually a little collar right here. So if you pull this piece of plastic back, again, if you look in here, it looks like it's the same bolt, but it's not. So I just grabbed a hold of this, and then I was able to put enough resistance there to spin this bolt, and then it finally started backing out for me. So if you're stuck there and you think that bolt's threaded, or I'm sorry, stripped, then that's what's going on. All right, have a good day.